guys, what is up? I know this is totally different from trading, but back in high school I had a side hustle. And when I had the side hustle, this is how it all started. I was in, hopefully my mom never comes down to this video and finds out what really happened to her Super Nintendo. But I found a Super Nintendo, and when I was in high school I needed money, and I wanted money to do things. I wanted money to go eat. I wanted money to have fun. And so I sold the Super Nintendo. I did some research online, and I saw how much it could sell for, and I went and sold it. Ever since then, I got hooked on it. And you can ask any of my best friends, they will tell you how much money we made that summer doing it. I mean, we were running, GameCubes, PS1s, Super Nintendos, regular Nintendos, Nintendo 64s. I mean, you name it. You call a game, we've probably had our hands on it, and I've had my hands on it for the Nintendo or the Super Nintendo. And ever since then, I used to do a lot of research on the Facebook Marketplace and different sales apps. So when I was doing that, I found some really good deals on it. But here's the best part. You only needed like $50 to $100. Now, I didn't have too much. My parents owned restaurants, so of course I worked with them, helped them out, and used that to invest in one of these side hustles that I had. And the side hustle made me thousands of dollars. So I remember, I just actually acquired this today, but I only needed like $50 to $100, and that was one of the best parts because I can literally double my money in such a short period of time. I learned different ways how to negotiate, different ways I can go ahead and get, for example, like a first ever Nintendo like this down to the price that I want it to, a Super Nintendo, and how to negotiate to be able to sell the price and list a product on the marketplace or a sales app to get whatever price I want. Or, if someone wants to negotiate, then perfect. You're not gonna lowball me, but I'll definitely get the price I want. So I used to do a lot of reselling games. I just recently got into it because I just opened up an academy called 24-Hour Resale Academy. So in this academy, I show you guys how to find good deals when it comes to retro gaming systems, how to negotiate, how to list the product, and how to sell it. Of course, that's super important, the listing and finding the right price on these and how to get these down to the right price, because even if you don't have much experience, as long as you can get these for the low and you just post it and you post some really high quality photos, you have bundles, all that good stuff, you're going to be able to make money, you're going to be able to sell. And this is something that you can go ahead and do and make money your first week trying it. Now, I just recently got back into it, like I said, because of the 24-Hour Resale Academy that I just started and have a lot of students in. The only reason why I got back into it, and we started this about like a couple days ago, is because I wanted a way to teach people how to make money without having a lot of money. Now, I know with stocks and trading, of course, you need a little bit more upfront capital, but you don't need as much as capital as you need just buying and reselling retro gaming systems. Of course, I can clean this up a little bit and then resell it and probably get some games for it too and make even more money. But yeah, this is just gonna help out everybody, and the amount of money that you guys can make, it's something that especially if you're working with like Super Nintendos or Nintendos or GameCubes, you can make a lot of money from. So I got this in a matter of 24 hours. And I'm going to list it today, and I'm going to sell it, and it should be gone in about 3 days or so, and I will definitely triple my money on this. If you guys want information on the 24-Hour Resale Academy, you guys can click the link in the description below, and it's only $45 for the next 3 days, and the course price is going up to $100. So you guys are definitely going to want to get in right now because this is going to be one of the best investments you will ever make.